In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best free call recorder app for Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you're searching for a simple hands-free way to record your phone calls, this Call Recorder Automatic app is one of the easiest apps to start with. Now, it promises instant call recording without complicated setups. Just install, allow permissions, and get work right away. Now, once it's running, the app automatically captures both incoming and outgoing calls. The interface is clean. Every recording shows the caller's name, number, and time, so it's easy to find exactly what you need. You can listen back directly in the app, add quick notes, or share recordings for safekeeping. The audio quality is usually solid, especially if you use your phone's loudspeaker. It also includes basic tools like sorting, filtering, and password protection to keep your files private. You don't need to press any buttons mid-call. Everything happens automatically, which is great for users who just want a set it and forget it type of recorder. Of course, results can vary. Some phones or even older Android versions limit microphone access, so one side of the call might sound quieter. There are also ads in the free version, but they don't get too annoying, I've found. But overall, Call Recorder Automatic is a good beginner-friendly option, quick to set up, reliable for most devices, and perfect for people who don't want to fiddle with the settings. It's not as advanced as other call recording apps, but for a free automatic recorder, it just gets the job done. Just make sure to test it on your phone before relying on it for important calls.